Constipation can make you feel uncomfortable and upset, but don't worry, there are easy ways to fix it. In this video, we'll show you simple tips to help your body work better. Drinking more water, eating fiber-rich foods, and doing light exercises can help. We'll also share natural remedies that really work. Stay with us to learn how to feel better fast. Eating more fiber is one of the best ways to prevent and fix constipation. There are two types of fiber, soluble fiber and insoluble fiber. Soluble fiber is found in oats, beans, apples, and citrus fruits. It absorbs water and forms a soft gel, making stools easier to pass. Insoluble fiber is in whole grains, nuts, and vegetables. It adds bulk to stools and helps food move through your body. It's important to increase fiber slowly to avoid bloating or gas. Start with small amounts and drink plenty of water to help digestion. Drinking enough water is very important for good digestion and to prevent constipation. If your body doesn't have enough water, your stools can become hard and difficult to pass. To keep things moving, drink plenty of water every day, at least 8 glasses or more, depending on your activity and the weather. Warm drinks can also help. Herbal teas, warm water with lemon, or hot broth can relax your stomach and make bowel movements easier. Drinking a warm drink in the morning can wake up your digestion and keep your gut healthy all day. If you're finding this information useful, please hit the like, subscribe, and turn all notifications on to stay updated with my latest health and nutrition tips. Moving your body helps with digestion and prevents constipation. Exercise makes your intestines work better by helping food move through your system. If you sit too much, digestion slows down, making constipation more likely. The good news is you don't need hard workouts. A short walk after meals or simple yoga stretches can help. Activities like walking, jogging, cycling, or gentle twisting movements improve blood flow and keep your digestion healthy. Adding daily exercise to your routine not only helps your stomach, but also keeps you feeling great. Having a regular bathroom routine can help prevent and manage constipation. Your body works best with a steady schedule. Try to use the bathroom at the same time every day, especially after meals. This helps train your body to go regularly. Eating triggers, a natural reflex that tells your colon to move waste along. Setting aside time in the morning or after meals can help keep your digestion on track. It's also important to listen to your body and go when you feel the urge. Holding it in can make stools hard and dry, leading to more constipation and even discomfort. Ignoring the urge too often can make your body less responsive over time. To keep your digestion healthy, always take bathroom breaks when needed and try to relax while you go. Adding natural laxatives to your diet can help relieve constipation in a gentle way without using strong medicines. Prunes and prune juice are popular remedies because they have fiber and sorbitol, a natural sugar that pulls water into the intestines and softens stools. Eating a few prunes or drinking a small glass of prune juice can help within a few hours. Aloe vera juice is also great for digestion. It has soothing properties and helps the bowels move. Drinking a little in the morning can support regularity. Flax seeds and chia seeds are full of fiber and help make stools easier to pass. Chia seeds turn into a gel when mixed with liquid, making digestion smoother. Flax seeds also contain omega-3s, which support gut health. You can sprinkle these seeds on yogurt, blend them into smoothies, or mix them into oatmeal. Adding these natural remedies to your daily routine can keep your digestion healthy and regular. If natural remedies and lifestyle changes don't work, over-the-counter OTC medicines can help with constipation. Stool softeners pull water into the stool, making it softer and easier to pass. These are gentle and useful for people recovering from surgery, dealing with hemorrhoids, or adjusting to a new diet. They don't cause strong cramps like some other laxatives. Osmotic laxatives like Miralax, polyethylene glycol, bring water into the intestines to soften stools and help with bowel movements. They work slowly and are safer for occasional use. Stimulant laxatives like senna or bisacodyl make the intestines contract to move stool along. These work fast, but should only be used when needed. Using them too often can make your body depend on them, cause dehydration, and upset your digestive system. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips. Let us know in the comments which remedy worked best for you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.